Hi guys, welcome to my channel. We're here again to review another product from INGCO. This is a rotary hammer. This is the box. The material is made of hard plastic and metal lock. Top view ng case, and this is what's inside the case. That's the whole package pag na-purchase nitong set na to. The actual rotary hammer, drill bits size 8, 10, and 12, the flat chisel, the pointed chisel, the grease tube, 2 sets ng carbon brushes, the actual manual and warranty card, and the special tool for the cup lid. To insert the drill bit, you have to pull the head. Ayan, pull mo lang, then tuck it in, then secure na yung chisel. Same din to remove. Sa drill bit naman, ganun din. Ayan. Easy lang siya. This one naman, you can turn it and twist to lock sa desired position mo para sa comfort while you're using the rotary hammer. And let's put it back to position. That's the lid cover where you put the grease. This is the grease. Included siya doon. And you have to use this special tool para ma-open mo yung lid. This one naman guys is the change lever. Yan. For drilling to hammering. That's to turn on the machine. And this yellow knob is for hammering to chiseling. That one, yung anti-vibration system niya. So, maganda siya. Made of hard plastic and metal. Let's try it. And drill. Turn natin yung. Then let's change the head sa pointed chisel. Let's tuck it in. Kailangan may hard object. Parang siguro safety measure niya yun. Hindi siya mag-activate kung hindi mo ipupush siya sa hard object. Para mag-function yung kanyang hammer. And this is the actual. Ayan. Chini-chip off namin yung wall. Overall guys, maganda siya. Mukhang heavy duty. Overall guys, super satisfied ako dito sa rotary hammer ng INGCO. Hindi siya underpowered, mabilis siyang bumutas ng wall. If you like my video, please like it and hit subscribe para sa marami pa nating unboxing and review ng mga iba't ibang items. Thank you guys for watching! Bye!